Papunta tayo doon sa may mountain. Merong ano dito, monastery. Yan. Oops, hindi ko mabak camera. Punta tayo. Ano doon sa mountain. Next. Kita ko sa inyo. Oops. Big stone rocks. Oh, malaking rocks, guys. And the top there is a cross. Oh, somebody's walking already there. So we are living in the Rila village.
The name of the mountain.
Ayan guys, napakaganda. Tingnan niyo yung ano na yan. Yung yan, rocks. Wow. So ito ding isa, papunta din ito sa monastery. Itong car na sinundan namin.
There is a eco-path here somewhere.
Eco-path?
You know eco-path? Like this paths in the where you can walk.
Paano na siya? Pa-mountain na talaga, guys.
Here the fault is because of the turn.
Yeah.
They can drive a little bit faster.
Maybe they don't know the road so much.
Yeah, but I mean they can drive at 60, not at 50. We are driving at 50.
Yeah, another rocks.
Also the person driving in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Ooh, what a nice house.
That house?
Yeah. Big house. Ooh, maybe it's a museum.
Maybe. Tingnan niyo yung ano, guys, rocks. Radala. Oh, police. Okay, they stop him.
I don't think we are driving very slow.
Those guys ba? They stop.
Somebody was in a hurry.
Maybe he's driving a speed. So they are maybe together.
Well, maybe the guy know the road and he was driving.
And
Aridai gas there.
maybe that's why driving. And the guy driving fast and then there is police.
We are driving below 50 at the moment.
Maybe he's very careful. Now he's 40 for the falling rocks. Akyat. 7-10 kilometer more. So andun kami.
In the speed limit they speed up. Outside the speed limit they slow down.
Can't understand. Maybe the guy at the back is pissed off.
I don't know. But it's annoying if we are going to drive like that 16 kilometers.
16?
No, 16
yeah.
kilometers.
Maybe the driver is a woman.
Even then, here you can drive easily with 60.
60.
Yeah, 50, 60. We are driving good. And here you can slow down with 40 when needed. This is because of the turns. Yeah.
Oh, somebody is flying the sky.
automatic. I don't have any visibility.
Yeah.
That is stupid.
Maybe for such small.
If it is
Time.
like maybe like a tractor or something, or here tractors.
Okay. So guys, nandito na tayo sa monastery. What is the name of the monastery? Rila Monastery dito sa Bulgaria. Ano siya, dinadalaw pala siya ng mga tourist. Ay, bawal palang magsuot ng mas sexy. Kaya bigla ako napapalit ng ano. Ayan, napapalit ako ng jeans. Ayan. Maraming tourist dito ang nagpunta. Ayan. So, napapalit tayo ng ano, kasi maikli, sleeveless, at saka yung short. Ayan. Ayan. Dito ito sa may Bandang Mountain. Bandang Mountain. Ayun, oh. Ayan. Kailangan talaga siyang maka-hide siya sa mountain. Ayan. Maraming tourist dito pumunta yung sinasakyan nila bus. Yung bus tour ba? Ayan, madami sa loob. Bawal din mag-capture sa loob, guys. Bawal mag-video. Ika nga ano, parang religious, diba? Ayan. Wala tayong information kung ilang years ito eh. Ayan. Ayan, mga kao. Ayan. So, dito na tayo. Ito yung pinakasiguro malaking monastery dito sa Bulgaria. Ayan. Oops. Sobrang mainit. Ayan. Sobrang mainit masyado. Ayan. Ito ko sa inyo. Ha? Meron din silang mainom na tubig dito, guys. Galing sa mountain. Naiwan namin yung water bottle sa ano, sa sasakyan dito, malamig. Parang water from the mountain. Tingnan nyo. Pwede ka lang maghilamos dito. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Cold water. Gusto na ako mag-inom. Ayan. Ang laki ng monastery dito, guys. Mochi! Where you go? Go there. So, ang laki doon, guys. Ayan. Ang laki ng monastery. Ito daw yung pinakamalaki. Ito yung dinadalo ng mga turista talaga. Tapos yung holy water dito, binibinta rin. Ay, ganun mo ba? Siyempre, tapos mag-lightning ka din. Ayan. Mainit. Nabiglang nakasuot ng pantalon. 1793 to 1881. So, sobrang pala ito, guys. Sobrang na. May museum pala yung doon, guys. Museum. Okay. Ayan. Church. You know, maraming mga dito. Tao. Lahat nagpipicturan. Ayan. At least itong tree na to, ang laki. Sobrang na yan. Ayan. Sobrang matanda na. Laki. Katanda din yan ng siguro ng monastery.